Here are some helpful tips to prepare your lawn for winter using the RYOBI 18V 1+ range.
Tip 1. Before scarifying, make sure you apply a pre-emergent chemical to prevent weeds during winter.
The RYOBI 18V 15-litre chemical spray is a game changer. It eliminates manual pumping and allows for an even spray. Tip 2 is to mow your lawn on the lowest setting before scarifying. This will make the job so much easier. The RYOBI 2x18V 1+ brushless scarifier is the perfect tool to prepare your lawn for winter. Tip 3 is to scarify your lawn before winter sets. This will allow extra oxygen and nutrients to penetrate your lawn, keeping it looking healthy throughout. Tip 4 is when using your 18V RYOBI seed and fertilizer spreader. You want to spread a low nitrogen, high potassium fertilizer. This will encourage root growth, not leaf growth.
Tip 5. The seed and fertilizer spreader can be easily adjusted to suit any fertilizing requirements. During those winter months, liquid fertilizers are recommended to keep your lawn looking healthy. Tip 6 is to use the fan nozzle included in the pack. This will give you an even coverage when spraying. Now with these tips and RYOBI's battery-powered gardening equipment, you can maintain your lawn with ease.